Hi, it's Immobiliser Fit. What we're working on today is this Porsche Macan Turbo S 2015, and we fitted a Starline Pro Immobiliser. So if someone was to attack this vehicle by cloning the key or stealing the key, they'll start the vehicle up, but as soon as they select a gear, the vehicle will turn off, as you can see, and they'll be able to drive it away. So what the customer needs to do is pass authorization by either a PIN code using factory buttons or by pairing up their phone. So with factory buttons, we'll start the vehicle up, we'll put in the disarm code, which we've set as 1, 2, 3. Got our disarm tone, and now we can select a gear and drive off. If the customer wants to change the code and wants to make it more sophisticated, this can be anything between 3 and 21 presses in any combination. And the way you change that is first you have to disarm the system. Now we'll press any button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll turn the ignition off, turn it back on, and we'll get 5 bleeps. Now it's ready to learn a new code. So we'll just change it to 1, 2, 3, 4. Got our confirmation. Now we'll just change it again. Sorry, put the same code in again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got our second double bleep confirmation, confirming the code was correct. So now turn the ignition off. Now we'll give it about 10 seconds to set, and then we'll turn the ignition on, pop the new code in, and select a gear, drive away. So there we go. We'll start the vehicle up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Disarm tone. We can drive the vehicle. If they want to take this vehicle for a service, take it back to Porsche, obviously don't want to give them the disarm code using the buttons, don't want to hand over the phone. They just want it to act and behave like a normal car. And the way you do that is first you have to disarm the system. So 1, 2, 3, 4 was our code. Get our disarm tone. Now press any button 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We'll cycle the ignition and get 2 bleeps. There we go. So now this is a normal car. So if they obviously need to drive it around their workshop, they don't need to go for a push sequence. It will drive as normal, and they'll be able to do what they need to do. And you don't have to disclose that obviously the vehicle is protected. It just act and behave as if there's nothing fitted to it. When you get it back from them and obviously want it secure again, just ignition on, pop your code in, and we'll get 2 bleeps as you did before service mode. There we go, and this vehicle is protected again. So after 10 seconds, like I said, this system automatically arms and it will be protected. So obviously when you leave the vehicle, 10 seconds later it will be armed and you have to use the push sequence. If you want to get your vehicle secured and protected against key cloning, relay attack and so on, give us a call. We're Immobiliser Fit. Our number is 0208 212 7393. Once again, it's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.